Hi friends, welcome to TM Learning Center YouTube channel. In this video I am going to tell you about most important concepts in sound waves. So this video helpful for your all competitive exams. So sound waves. Here some of the important concepts. So if you have any clarification, so please comment after watching this video. So here I am going to teach you something most important concept about sound waves. So sound waves are longitudinal mechanical waves. You are very familiar with these waves. These are longitudinal and mechanical waves. According to their frequency range, sound waves can be classified into three types. So those are audible, infrasonic waves and ultrasonic waves. Audible waves are sound waves and infrasonic waves and ultrasonic waves. So here, what are audible sound waves? Audible waves are sound waves. So, the frequency range of the waves between 20 Hertz to 20 kilohertz. These are called audible waves or sound waves. These can be hear or sensitive to human ears. Human can hear these sound. And these sound waves are generated by the vibrating bodies. So vibration of the particles leads to produce audible sound or sound waves. And the second one is infrasonic waves. So infrasonic waves means the frequency less than 20 Hertz are called infrasonic waves. So these are produced by the sources of bigger size. Infrasonic waves are produced by the sources of bigger sized such as earthquake, volcanic eruptions, and ocean waves, and elephant and whales. These are producing infrasonic waves, and those frequency range is less than 20 Hertz. And the next one is ultrasonic waves. The most important thing is, so most of the questions are coming from this concept, ultrasonic waves. What are ultrasonic waves? The frequency greater than 20,000 Hertz. So 20,000 Hertz more frequency are called ultrasonic waves, and human ear cannot be detected these waves. These waves cannot be detected by the human ear. And but the bat, you are familiar with this bat, cat, and dog, mosquito. This can be detected. This ultrasonic waves. These ultrasonic waves are detected by bat, cat, and dog, mosquito. But also, and another interesting thing is the bat also produces these waves. Ultrasonic waves are produced and detected by the bat, and these are produced by the high frequency vibration of the quartz crystal under the alternate electric field. So for the various uses of ultrasonic waves, we also produces this in the laboratory. So by the high frequency vibration of the quartz crystal under the alternate electric field. So now we are going to know about detailed uses of ultrasonic waves. Most important applications of ultrasonic waves are, these are used for the sending signals from one area to another area. So ultrasonic waves are used, and for measuring the depth of the sea, ultrasonic waves are used. And for cleaning clads, aeroplanes, and machinery parts of the clad, those are most sensitive parts. They can be cleaned by the use of ultrasonic waves. And also for removing a lamp shoot, most important, for removing a lamp shoot from the chimneys of the factories. So the chimneys of the factories having a more lamp shoot, so that is removed by using ultrasonic waves. And also in the sterilizing of the liquid, and in ultrasonography. So you know that the scanning technique is used by the ultrasonic sound waves, ultrasonography. So if you want more about this, you can visit to nearest laboratory or any hospitals. So next concept is speed of sound. So what is the speed of sound? You know that the speed is different in different mediums. The speed of sound is different in different mediums. depend on the elasticity and density of the medium. So sometimes examinations they are asking that what is the things which are depend on speed of sound, you know. It depend on elasticity and density of the medium. If the elasticity is vary, the speed is also varying. If the density of the medium is vary, then the speed is also varying. So I will discuss in the next part. Maximum in the speed of sound is maximum in solids. Maximum in solids and minimum in gases. So speed of sound is maximum at solids. If they are given some of the liquids, for example iron, glass, granite, aluminum, in the same manner, so water, gas, so like that we can easily detect that in solids maximum speed, in liquids and gases it's less speed. Okay, so I will discuss in the next part. When the sound enters from one medium to another medium, so one medium to another medium, its speed and wavelength changes. What are the changes? Speed changes and wavelength is also changes, but the frequency remains the same. We remember the frequency remains the same from one medium to another medium, the speed of the sound. The medium, in the medium, speed of the sound is independent. Andre speed of the sound alli yav independent agirutte, so frequency is independent. Next, so here some of the elements and speed. So in carbon dioxide, in the carbon dioxide medium, the speed of the sound is 260 meter per second. In air 0 degree centigrade, so means the temperature is 0 degree centigrade, freezing point 332 meter per second, speed of the sound. And in air 20 degree centigrade normal temperature, so 343. You know, here the increase, you can observe here the increase in the speed of the sound, 332 and 343 in the same air medium, but the temperature varies. Temperature increases, speed is also increases. How much and so what is the value, I will discuss in the next part. Next, in water 20 degree centigrade 1482 meter per second. So that is the speed in water. And you know, the sea water, in the sea water, that is common water and it is sea water 1533. It is because it having some salt in it, so its speed is increased. And in copper 3560 meter per second, the speed of sound is 3560 meter per second. And in iron 5130 meter per second, the speed. And in glass 5640 meter per second. So glass is more, in the glass medium the speed of sound is more compared to all others what I discussed. You know, in iron and glass, if they are given iron and glass, which is the maximum speed, here in the glass medium the speed of sound is maximum 5640 meter per second. And in granite, so here you can watch granite here. So in this granite 6000 meter per second, the speed of sound is 6000 meter per second. And in aluminium, so among those it is more, you know, 6420, 6420. So it is more speed in aluminium medium. Okay, and we are going to discuss another most important concept about the speed of sound. You know, effect of pressure on speed of sound. What are the effects of pressure and temperature and humidity? So we are going to discuss now. First, pressure. If the pressure increases or pressure decreases, what happens to the speed of sound? In the medium, in any medium, you can choose any medium, air medium, water medium, or any solid medium. So speed of sound is independent of pressure. So it means it unchanged. In the, if increase in the pressure or decrease in the pressure, the speed of sound is unchanged or it is independent of pressure. And the next one is temperature. So I already discussed in air the temperature is 0 degree centigrade 332. In increase in temperature by 20 degree centigrade, the speed of sound is 343 meter per second. But it shows what? It shows increase in temperature increase in speed of sound. Yes, here speed of sound increase with the increase in temperature of the medium. Speed of sound is in air increases by 0.61 meter per second when the temperature of the medium is increased by 1 degree centigrade. For 1 degree centigrade, the increase in the sound speed of sound is 0.61 meter per second. So this is about the effect of temperature on the speed of sound. And the next one is effect of humidity on the speed of sound. I think you know about humidity. Speed of sound is more in a more humid air. If the dry air and humid air, you can consider the two types of air. The speed of sound is more in a more humid air than in dry air, because the density of humid air is less than the density of the dry air. Okay, so densities varies in the humid air and dry air. So the speed of sound is more in humid air. So that means what? Humidity of the air increases, humidity of the medium increases, the speed of the sound is also increases. Humidity of the medium is decreases, the speed of the sound is also decreases in that medium because of variation of density. Next, characteristics of sound waves. The three characteristics of sound waves to be identified. So the first one is intensity, pitch and quality, so that we can discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a comment about your opinion. So thank you for watching this video.